Here's the easiest no hassle setup that you can do for your own self-hosted n8n. First, you want to head over to Hostinger. I'll have a link in the description down below. And what we want to do is go to this link, which is the self-hosted n8n template that they give you. And what you can do is click on choose your plan. For our n8n instance, we're just going to choose the KVM2 option. You can choose a KVM4 option if you prefer to have more performance. But typically you're not going to really need to go past the KVM2. So it's up to you if you want to upgrade that. But you can go ahead and choose which version you would like. Then it's going to bring you to this page here. And what you want to do is select a server location. So typically you want to choose a server location closest to you. For me, I live in the United States, so I'm going to choose the United States. And then under the select operating system, this is where you want to go to application. And then you want to make sure that you select the n8n option. So just go ahead and click on n8n and then click on where it says confirm. From here, you can go back up and click on where it says continue. Next, you're going to need to enter in your billing information and then enter in your payment information. Once you do that, you're going to get this screen here that says your payment's done, and we're ready to go ahead and get started opening up the n8n self-hosted. So go ahead and click on get started. It's going to tell us to secure our VPS access. So we're going to need to set a root password. You can set up an SSH key if you want to, but we're just going to use a root password for now, and then click on where it says next. And it's going to give you an option if you want to add a malware scanner to your VPS. You can just go ahead and leave this checked or leave this unchecked, and then you can go ahead and click on where it says finish setup. The next step is going to automatically set up your VPS instance to work and be fully set up with n8n. This process can take a couple minutes to set up. Next, you can go ahead and click on the Manage VPS button once it finishes. It's going to take you to this page, and what you want to do is click on the Manage app next to the n8n, and it's going to have you set up a owner account for your n8n instance. So this is what you're going to use to create your account to log into your self-hosted n8n. So go ahead and enter in your account information. And now everything should be set up, and you can actually go ahead and start making some workflows. So if we go to create workflow at the top right, we can now go ahead and actually start building out each of our flows, and you can access all of those flows on this self-hosted instance. But that's how you can easily self-host your own n8n instance. If you want to learn how you can attach a custom domain to this n8n instance, you can check out the video on the screen.